Hey guys, it's G, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be bringing you a Prettylittlething haul. Now I have started to get some pieces ready for like September coming, autumn coming, things like that. I've got a lot of summer stuff and I wanted to try and get some pieces such as like bodysuits instead of getting bikinis all the time. I've got a lot of like crop tops and bralettes and I wanted to get like a few little like knitted pieces, not knitted but ribbed pieces that are good to wear with jeans, transitional pieces that will just basically go with everything, and that's all I wanted to get because I feel like in my wardrobe I've got a lot of the same stuff. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you can, please hit the notification bell on, otherwise you don't see my video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram where I post behind the scene content. I post different pictures. I also post videos that you don't see on Instagram. So if you want to follow me over there for more content, feel free to head over there. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get on into the haul. I've got the goods. It's been so hard not to open this bag. Yeah, I'm actually wearing one of the pieces right now and it's a bodysuit. I don't know if you can tell, but it's basically like a normal bodysuit. So it's got the like lower front, what's it called? Like a V-neck at the front, like a low cut front bit. What do you call it? A low cut? Just a low cut thing in the middle. So yeah, basically the bodysuit that I'm wearing has got a cutout at the back, which I think is beautiful. It's got a cutout all the way across like the middle section of my back, and then the top of it is like actually connected. It's really weird, but I love it, and it's jersey, so it's super comfy. I can't remember how much I got it for, but I think it was, probably like £10 maybe. I think I might have got it for £9 in the sale. So that's the first thing that I'm got on, but I'll show you. I am obsessed with like ribbed. Anything ribbed is like my favourite thing ever. So I found this on Prettylittlething, and this is this little like cami crop top. It's actually in the size 6. I never normally get size 6, I normally try and get size 4, but I actually can fit in the PLT shape, which is a bit mad because I feel like this crop top is tiny, but the reason I bought it was because it was grey and ribbed, and I thought it would look amazing with jeans. It would look really cute with leggings or like some kind of like jersey cycling shorts, and literally anything. It goes nice just in the house or when I'm going out, generally with trainers, and I love it. It's basically got little thin cami straps. So what I do, because obviously this is a little bit too long for me, I will basically knot it at the back, or if I don't want to knot it, I actually cut it, which is a bit weird, but I actually cut the straps at the bottom and then I turn it into a halter neck because I personally think it's the most flattering for me. Yeah, it's basically perfect for like the transition between summer and autumn, so I love this. This is another bralette. I feel like I wear so many bralettes, but they're just perfect for absolutely anything. Now, this is really different for me normally because I don't really buy anything that's, different texture. It's also very different fabric, and I feel like I got this because I was like, what if I needed, like a nice top and jeans outfit moment? So I basically bought it in case I went out for like a meal or for drinks. The reason I bought this is because it's adjustable. So it's actually a Halter Neck Wallet, and I don't know if you can see, but it's like this like gathered satin material, so it's quite thick. So you've got the tie around the neck and the back, which is perfect for me because I can adjust it however tight or loose I want, which is perfect for me. And I really liked it. I thought, you know what, that's a bit different. And I think this would like, I don't know, cycling shorts or this with jeans would look really cool. I just really liked it and I thought it was quite different. So this next one is another halter neck. Now, I do love me a good halter neck, and I'm not going to lie, they're just the most flattering on my body type, my boob shape, just is way better for me. So this is a taupe one. I've got the black and the white one, but when I saw the taupe, I thought this, again, is very autumnal, and that is when I'm going to be wearing stuff like this. Now, this is going to be another thing that I always, like, change a little bit, because the halter neck I hate things that say halter neck and then you can't adjust it. Like, I don't see the point in it. If you're going to make a halter neck, make it adjustable. So with this, it's not. So all I do is I cut it in the middle with scissors and then I tie it myself, and it's absolutely fine. I've done it with the black one and the white one, and it's been fine ever since. So yeah, this is the taupe one and I love it. Again, something so easy and comfortable to wear as well. It's easy to style and it's a really nice colour as well, instead of wearing black and white all the time. As you guys know, I've got a bit of an obsession with ribbed fabrics at the minute. I think it just gives me cozy vibes. I've got quite a few ribbed pieces, and Pretty Little Thing is the best for like the ribbed cords because I can fit in them. They fit comfortably, they're very thick, they're not see-through. To be fair, they're probably one of the best quality like cords I've owned from Pretty Little Thing. I currently own the grey set and the white cord set, which I absolutely love. I wore the grey one on holiday and I took this picture, and it's one of my favourite sets ever. Everyone went mad. And I also own the white, which I love wearing together, but I've been recently wearing the white crop top with jeans, which I'll pop here, and I also wear the top with white like jersey leggings with like trainers, like a white cord again, and I think that is a bomb outfit as well. Again, I'll put some pictures here. So not only is it great for a cord, but you can mix and match the items. Finally got the black, which I'll show you in this haul, and then they also brought out a nude, which again, I didn't expect this to look this nice. Like I said, this is basically the same set but just different colours. Now, oh my god, I think this is my favourite, because on the website it looked quite pinky nude, and I just bought it because I was like, it's a great set to throw on. I love a good banging cord. It makes you feel like, I don't know, just badass, and it's so easy to tuck on when I'm nipping out or when I've got places to go. It's just a cool way of throwing on an outfit, but without putting too much effort into it. So this is the nude ribbed bralette that for some reason is tucked inside out. The Mocha ribbed plunge bralette. So you buy them separately. You get the bralette and the cycling shorts separately. So this is the bralette, and as you can see, it's beautiful. And again, this for autumn is like the best colour. I love this colour on me because my hair is black. I love wearing colours other than black, if you get me. So this with my hair is just an absolute dream. So I've got this and I can't wait to wear it. Oh my god, I love it so much. The material is lovely and thick. And then these are the matching cycling shorts, and what I love about them is that not only are they really thick, so you can't see anything through them, they are quite good quality. The best part about them is they look like men's Y fronts. Love that, like I actually love that. You don't normally notice it when you're wearing it, but how cool. The waistband is amazing as well. Actually are quite tight on me, but I do make it work. I mean, we all know I am hella curvy. Your girl over here has got thick thighs and she sometimes struggles wearing certain shorts. So I think these will be alright. I'm hoping they aren't the same as my other ones. But I did get the size up in this set because my 4 fits perfectly, but they are a little bit too like they're just a little bit, there's not that much difference. And I got the top in the 4 because, yeah, I ain't big up here. So it's actually way nicer than I thought it was going to be on the website. I'm just living for cold so much, and this is perfect for now, but it's also perfect for autumn when it's not too cold. And this with chunky boots is just basically, it's everything I want. I love things like this. So this is my little my nude one, and then I did get a black one, which this is the one set that I really wanted, was the black. We all know I am black soul at heart, so this is the black bralette, which I just adore. I love it. I love the banding of it. It's very stretchy. I think you guys know what a bralette looks like by now. This is the black one. I just need to adjust the straps, but it's beautiful. Fits me perfectly. And then I finally got the matching cycling shorts. So it's just like a beautiful little, autumn set. And for some reason, I don't know why, but these cycling shorts are a size 4, so it's, the smaller size. However, they're more stretchy than the nude ones, which I don't get. They seem to have a lot more give in them. So, yeah, don't quite understand why the size 6 is actually tighter than the size 4. But this material, the black one, is very stretchy, which is great because like I said, thick thighs over here, she needs room. So this is the black set. I don't know if you're going to even see that, but yeah, the black, I love it. So happy. Black and blue. Ooh, it's a unitard. I wear a lot of unitards actually. Like, unitards are like my favourite things again to wear. Normally when I'm at home chilling, I don't really wear unitards that much when I'm out and about. But I saw it and I was like, I'm going to try and see if it fits. This might be a bit too big. I don't think, oh yeah, it's too big. See, this is the reality of shopping. Sometimes I'll find things and I'll be like, oh my god, love it. And I like it, but it's going to be so big. I feel like I'm very overexposed in this. So this is the unitard. Now I'm not too sure if I'm going to keep this. I think it's a little bit too wide. Like, yeah, it's beautiful. It's got Prettylittlething on it, but yeah, I'm not going to lie, I think I'm going to take this back because it's going to be too big for me. And I can literally tell as soon as I pull it out of the packet, I'm like, yep, it's going to be huge. Some of the unitards on Prettylittlething are so perfect. And then I buy some of them and they're just huge. And it's like, okay, like the sizing's can be a bit all over the place, and that's the only downside of, you know, these like fast fashion companies. The next thing that I'm going to show you is a bodysuit that I got. I got two of them, so it's the same one, but I've got black and grey, just so I've got options. And it's a bodysuit as well, that you can adjust yourself, which is perfect for me. I'm hoping it's not going to be too big, but I think it might be alright. It's an open back bodysuit, so I think it could look really flattering as well. All you do is just tie this around your neck, and you've got a little cheeky high neck bodysuit, which I love. So I am going to try this on. I feel like it's going to be fine, and it's perfect as well because it's not like, you know, it's not a thin material, it's quite thick, so it's going to keep me warm when I do wear it when it comes to autumn, and it's really nice. I've got the grey and the black. I'm not going to open the black because, I mean, you can kind of see what it looks like here. So yeah, I've got that, and then another one that I've got, which is, oh, I love this one. I've been wanting this. Is it a bodysuit or a top? Oh, it's a bodysuit. I've been wanting this bodysuit for months now, and I've never ever got around to buying it, and I don't know why, because it's just beautiful, and I feel like it's very me. Like, it's a very me style. I love me a good bit of mesh, and I think if I ever went to like some really, I don't know, cool event or Billie Eilish concert, anything like this, I'd wear. So this is called the Black Dragon Mesh Bodysuit. So it's high neck, which instantly makes me buy it because high necks are my favourite style to wear. And then, I don't know if you can actually say, but it's got a dragon, like 2 dragon prints across your boobs, which I just, hello, I love that. And I think it's really cool. I think it's very like, I don't know, I want to say like oriental, if that's a thing. Is it all? I don't know, it just reminds me of something really cool. So there are the 2 dragon basically shapes on them, and it's completely mesh, but then across that is where you see the dragons, and I think that is really fun and cool. Can't wait to wear this and style it. I think it's going to look amazing. And I've actually got some black mesh cycling shorts, so even having like a full mesh outfit would look really cool. And yeah, finally got it because it was in the sale, and I was like, you know what, get it. So this is the same bralette as I showed you before, but it's actually in the colour Mocha. So this is a bit darker for a Mocha. It's like a dark brown, but honestly the quality of these little bralettes are beautiful. They're really soft and comfy, and I can't wait to wear these. And this is the Mocha bralette. So we've got the grey and the Mocha. How stunning is this? Does this not give you autumn vibes? Like, I'm so freaking excited for autumn because it's the time of year where you can wear things without sweating, but it's like, I don't know, you can get away with wearing a jacket still, but you can also wear crop tops like this. So this is it. Like I've said, I've shown you this with the grey one. It's ribbed, it's got the little cami straps. Might try and find some like dark leggings to go with this, like maybe some dark Mocha leggings, so I've got like a little cord. That would be so cute for winter with a big oversized jacket. Yeah, can't wait to wear this. This is the last product last clothing item. Now this is another bodysuit. I feel like all I ever buy is bodysuits, but they're just something I do wear a lot. So this is the bodysuit. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but they're the cutouts. So the cutouts are like kind of big, but they come on your body a little bit at the front, so you'll be able to see where the sections are, if you get me. Yeah, it kind of gives you a really nice like figure as well. I do like things with cutouts, like I've said. They are very flattering, and they just make a plain bodysuit look a little bit more interesting than a black bodysuit. So this one does have PLT at the front, and then like I've said, it's got cutouts everywhere. Yeah, I love it, and it's ribbed as well, so it's really comfy. Not as soft as the ribbed bralettes, but and yeah, it's great with jeans, basically just jazzing up the normal bodysuit. I can't wait to wear this. Yeah, very excited, and I love it. So I think that is honestly, like, I swear that's everything. Alright, so I'm completely done with the haul, and actually I think I've got some really good pieces. I'm so excited to style them. If you want to see these outfits actually on me and styled, please head over to my Instagram, because you'll definitely see all of these items styled and things like that, which I love doing anyway on my Instagram. Or if you want to see a styling video as well, I'll be more than happy to do that, because I really enjoy doing outfit videos and styling vids. So yeah, if you want to see that, let me know. But the last thing that I literally just forgot, but the last thing that I did get was this bandana. You would have been seeing this a lot on my videos at the minute, but I'm obsessed with bandanas. I think I've got a new obsession. I'm going to try and get some more, but this was only like £2.50, which is just insane. And yeah, I love it. So I'm basically all done with the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and maybe got some inspo for, I don't know, autumn wear. I'm really excited to really get the colours out, like wearing my rust colours, mocha colours, browns. They're like my favourite type of colour palette. So yeah, so excited to bring you more styling videos and autumn videos. Oh, the best time of year ever. But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video.